Hello, YouTube friends and family. Oops, I'm in a bonnet. I'm not starting over. You're getting Bonnet Girl today. I'm on a break from work, 30 minutes. So I wanted to get through a quick haul with y'all. How's it going? We are already in the middle of August in the depths of hurricane season. It's one out there in the ocean. Are y'all ready? I hope you are. If not, I do have hurricane preparedness videos in playlist, in my SHTF playlist. If you need some tips on getting ready, please refer to that playlist. Now, we are doing, I guess I'll do a Ollie's and a Burlington, child. It ain't much this week at all. But I had to do an emergency trip to Ollie's for a 1-year-old's birthday. And now I think I need to do an anniversary gift because my auntie is celebrating 55 years today. Oops. If I got to find out about it on Facebook. So, Ollie's good stuff, cheap, okay? And they have come out with the same teas that I have been buying. So I walked in there on a good day, and it was plenty of them, and these are all $1.99. So the puka at Fresh Market, these sell for $7.99. Okay, $1.99. So this is the piece. I bought 3 boxes of this because I have had it before. I really do enjoy it. Then I did get one of these. So puka Supreme Matcha Green. Organic teas, $1.99. And then, child, this haul was mostly, I think I spent $45. I did get some Tazo. And we know this retails for like $5.99 for 16 bags of tea. And this is Juniper Mint Honey. I thought that sounds so different. So I was excited to pick that up. And then, I don't know why y'all look a little hazy. Hope y'all can see. I did get puka, lemon, ginger, and manuka honey. Touch of manuka honey. As always, $1.99. And these have 20 bags in them. And then I brought this other brand. Called Tea Pick to Cheer Up. They had several different flavors. I had to pick one because I was grabbing too many, even at $2. It can get expensive when you grab like 7 or 8 of them, okay? So, I got the green tea strawberry kiwi. I'm not sure how much this retails for, but I'm sure it looks fancy. So, kiwi flavor. I don't like when they do that. Flavor. Okay. I got to do some research. That might be them trying to disguise natural flavors. So, that was tea. That was the tea. And then I found this. Don't know if I don't think I have it already. This is my first time seeing this book in there. And it is a complete guide to vegetable gardening. You know I could not leave behind a good gardening book. Gardening know-how. Create, cultivate, and care for your perfect edible garden. This was $7.99. It's a decently thick book. And it has a lot of instructions, pictures, photos, all of that good stuff. So this was a good find. If you are in Jacksonville, they had a stack of them in Normandy, at the Ollie's. Bottom shelf of the almost last row. Bottom shelf. So you got to look hard, but it was a whole stack of them. Plenty of them. Great for adding to the gardening library. So they did bring out Melissa and Doug toys. So I did grab this for the 1-year-old. And it was $6.99. So that was that. Oops, why did it do that? It kind of broke. I like that. Ooh, and the man came out. Oh My goodness. I'll get it back together. See, the stuff start falling out. Okay, shouldn't have dropped it that hard, I guess. I'll get it back together for presentation purposes. This is... Oh, it's a mess. Okay, this is what I get for trying to rush to do a haul. But then I got books for the babies. So I started reading to my child when he was like 2-3 weeks old. And we have a favorite book. I got to find that book. I know I never got rid of it because it was the favorite book. And I don't even think I can find it today. But it basically taught body parts in a way. And I read with enthusiasm. I read with voices. I talked to him normally. And, you know, it was like a thing I did. And now he don't read as much. But he has a full library in his room. And he says he gets up and reads in the morning. He still loves books. He enjoys books. Before he got a phone in his hands, that's all he used to do before he got access to a cell phone in middle school. So it's the things, it's the little things, and I'm just a big proponent on reading to your children with enthusiasm to give them that joy of reading a book. And I bought this one for the 1-year-olds. I got Baroom, and it has some, sensory things. So we're trying to actually, work on colors, numbers, sensory, all of that. Once they know their colors, they can separate clothes. They can start doing stuff, okay? Then I grabbed, I didn't give a price on that one. So that one was $2.99. And then we have this one, Little Elephant. So on the back, it does say 0+ years. So I was reading that to make sure it was age appropriate. And it has something sensory here to fill on. It has the little, this to, kind of get their attention. And it has other sensory stuff inside. So yeah, this is soft right here. So they may get a good little kick out of this. You can rub the monkey's head and it's soft. So I still need to read them because sometimes they be slipping some stuff in these books. But I kind of looked at them in the store. I didn't read them, which wouldn't have took long, but I didn't read them. I'll read them and make sure. And then we have that one. Oops, I didn't give you the price. Sorry. The price is $3.99 for this one. But with all that sensory, it's worth it. And this one has a little wheel that rolls around, turn and play, and spin around pages. Somehow the pages spin around, I guess. So it is $2.99. And it says, it has a guide on here, 0+. And then we have this, 1 year old. So this is potty time, and it has the sounds, and I gotta make sure, I do need to read these before I pass them along, but it has a little more words. But if you start out, they'll be able to sit 5 minutes for a short book like this. So that's all about, kind of getting them into the reading. Oh, and this book was $3.99, the Daniel Tiger, $3.99. And then we have some Cocoa Melon. And this is one, so while you're reading it, you can kind of move their head and go with the sounds and make some noises and things like that. And kind of go on washing hair, underarms. This is a bath time book. So this would work well like before bath time to calm them down, or while they're sitting in the water, playing in the water, read to them, or after the bath, What did we just do? We just took a bath, okay? So this is a cute little book, and that is all I did get from Ollie's. I spent like $42. Yeah, about $42. Half old tea and half old books for babies, and one old. And this is tea, and this is for me. Yes, this was $8. So this was $8, and it's worth every penny. Yes, 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 yes. I love my garden library, and I love adding to my garden library. So I hope you like this haul. I think I'm gonna do Burlington separately. Okay. I hope you like this haul. As always, prep and pray. Make sure you are already ready for the hurricane so you don't have to get ready. We are on number 4, and we are in the crux of the season. Last year in Florida, they canceled school a few times around once school started. So we know we are in that time. So as always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Bye-bye.